anyone tell you this is a carrot, you may argue with them. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to make a delicious carrot chips. So stay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a carrot chips. Have you guys heard about carrot chips before? Of course not. So today I'm going to be sharing this lovely and wonderful recipe. So this is my carrot. I've already sliced my carrot. You can do it in a cube form, in any form you want, okay, as far the way you want to design your carrot chips. So I usually use that particular method. Then I will be needing flour. You can use any flour of your choice. The one I have here is oatmeal. You can use oatmeal flour. You can use any flour you want to use. Then you can go ahead and pour your carrots that you have already sliced inside the bowl. Then what you are going to do is to mix it together. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and also share this video with friends and family, okay guys?
Welcome to Cremetasia TV. Wow. Well, no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. All you know more Cremetasia got you. You deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedies, I will give you. All you know more about your skin. You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural things you will use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, well, no man tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful, don't live and precious you are. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. Ain't no cry, still zero stress. Don't know it first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Stay calm, let me give you this up. Search no more cause you already got the best. Make a tutorial it did for you. Lifestyle blogging it did for you. I been a vlog and cooking. Oh, everything did for you. Subscribe, subscribe, Tell your friends, may they join us. Tell your friends, may they join us. So you never hear the gist, so you never get some tea. Remedy for skincare, vlog and food. That is what I give you.
To do is to add your salt, just the way you add salt to your chips. So add a little salt, then shake it. Your carrot chips is ready. Do you know that you can turn your carrots to chips? A lot of you do not know. You only know about maybe potato chips, plantain chips. You don't know that you can definitely turn vegetable to chips. As for this video, you have no today, so no more wasting your carrots. You can definitely turn your carrot to chips. It will definitely look like plantain chips. And you that is giving potato chips always to your kids, try and start giving carrot chips to your kids. They are going to like it. They will not even differentiate it with both potato chips or carrot chips. They will think it's the same. Okay, it's so delicious. Try this recipe out, share it with friends and family, and thank me later. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next recipes video. Bye guys.